Good morning, dear students. This is the last grammar lesson in primary 2. Singulars and plurals. This is one marker. And these are two markers. We use the plural to talk about more than one. And singular means just one. Means just one. Singular, it means only one noun. And plural, it means more than one noun. What is a noun? A word or phrase that is name of something as a person, place, or thing. So we use the plural to put s or add s to the noun, not the verb. Most singular nouns form the plural by adding s, like boat, boats, house, houses, cat, cats, river, rivers. But we have some cases. If the word ends with s, x, o, c, h, s, h, we must add es. For example, bus. Bus ends with s, so we must put es. Fox ends with x, so we must put es. Tomato, we're gonna put es because tomato ends with o. Dish ends with sh, so we must put es. Watch ends with ch, so we must put es. And all of these are nouns. And we have some naughty nouns. There are 4. Today we're gonna take just 4. We add s only, not es. If we see these words: piano, radio, video, photo. Look, we just put s. And we have another case. If the noun ending in consonant plus y, we drop the y and add ies. For example, baby. Can you see baby ends with y, and before this y, b. B is a consonant. What is the meaning of consonant? Consonant are the rest of the letters except the vowels. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So B is a consonant, and after the B is Y, so I'm gonna cross out the Y and put IES. Babies. Party. Party ends with Y, and before the Y is T. T is a consonant or a vowel. You're gonna check. T is a consonant, so we're gonna cross out the Y and put IES. And butterfly ends with Y, and before the Y, L, so we're gonna cross out the Y and put IES. Family ends with Y, and before the Y, L, we're gonna cross it out and put IES to be families. Country ends with Y. We must check the letter before the Y. So it's R, and R is a consonant, so you're gonna cross it out and put IES to be countries. And if we see a vowel before the Y, we must leave the Y and put just S. For example, day. Can you see day? Day ends with Y, and before the Y, ah. So ah is a vowel or a consonant, so let's remember, is a vowel, so we're gonna keep the Y and put just S. Toy ends with Y, and before the Y, O. So O is a vowel or a consonant, so it's a vowel, so we're gonna leave or keep the Y and put just S. Monkey ends with Y, and before the Y is E, and this is a vowel, so you're gonna leave it and put just S. And here is boy. Boy ends with Y, and before the Y, O, and O is a vowel, so we're gonna keep the Y and put just S. What about the F and FE? If the word ends with F or FE, we must drop them out or cross them out and put just VES. For example, wife. Wife ends with FE, so I'm gonna cross it out, then I will put VES to be wives. Shelf ends with F, so I'm gonna cross it out and put VES to be shelves. Knife ends with FE, so I'm gonna cross out the FE and put VES to be knives. leaf ends with F, so I'm gonna cross it out and put VES to be leaves. Sum it up. ES, if the noun ends with S, X, O, C, H, SH, you're gonna put just ES and keep them. Keep the S and X and O and CH and SH, keep them and put just ES. What about IES? If the noun ends with a consonant plus Y, like baby, you're gonna cross the Y out and put IES because Y, the noun ends with Y and before this Y, consonant. VES, if the noun ends with F or FE, you're gonna cross it out and put VES. For example, bench. More examples. Bench ends with CH, so what I'm gonna do? CH, if the word ends with CH, we must put ES, like that. Dress ends with S, so I'm gonna put ES. Dish ends with SH, so I'm gonna put ES. IES, party ends with Y, and before the Y is consonant, so we're gonna put for it IES to be parties. Family ends with Y and before the YL to be families. Country, Y and before the YR, so you're gonna cross it out and put IES. And here is shelf, you're gonna cross the F out and put VES to be shelves. And wife, we're gonna cross out the FE to be wives. And knife ends with FE, we're gonna cross them out to be knives. Some words always plural. For example, scissors. I can't use just one part of the scissor. We must use both of them. So I can say scissor. It must be scissors. Glasses. So I can't wear just one glass. You must wear both together. So I'm gonna say glasses. Trousers. Can you wear just one leg? No, you must wear both. So you must say trousers. Jeans. The same. Can you wear just one side? You must wear both. So we must say jeans. Shorts. The same. You can't wear just one leg. So you must say shorts. And pajamas. You can't wear just the upper part or the lower part. You must wear both of them together. So we must say pajama. That's not acceptable to say pajama. So it will be pajamas. And we have some naughty plurals. They will change totally. For example, a man, two men. So we changed a to be eh, men. Woman, the same. Three women. We changed a to be eh. Child, a child. If you want to say there are more than one child, you must say many children. Tooth, a tooth, just one tooth. So in the plural form, you're gonna say many teeth. Foot, a foot, just one foot, the left foot or the right foot. So if you want to talk about both, you're gonna say 2 feet. A mouse, 10 mice, mice. A sheep, 5 sheep. Sheep and sheep. Fish, a fish, many fish. So we put a or an to say that this is just one in the singular form, but we can't put a or an in the plural. That's not allowed to put a or an while you are saying they are more than one. Like that. 10 men, 3 women, many children, many teeth, 2 feet, 10 mice, 5 sheep, many fish. So we can say a fish or a sheep to say they are more than one. No. If you said a sheep, that means that this is only one. If you said a fish, that means that this is only one. So if you take it out, if you cross the A out and said 5 sheep, that means they are more than one. Take a break, 2 minutes, then think about the following. And test yourself now. Okay, Enter the following, correct the underlined words. Think. Timmy, Jimmy has a lot of toys. Is it right? Is it right? That means this word, T-O-Y. If the word ends with Y and before the Y is a vowel, so I'm gonna put IES and I will cross out the Y, or I will keep the Y and put just S. Think. Adam loves eating biscuits. Is that right or wrong? Biscuit ends with E. So I'm gonna do something, or I will leave the word, the noun like it is and put just S. Children shouldn't play with knives. Is it right to say knives? The word ends with FE, so I will put just S, or I will cross out the FE and put VES. There are lots of butterflies. Is it right to say butterflies? I think it's wrong. If the word ends with Y and before the Y is a consonant, you must cross out the Y and put IES. Let's see the answers. Toys, just S because Y and before the Y is a vowel. And biscuits, is it right to put ES? The word ends with T. So why I put ES? We said we put ES to the word if it ends with CH, SH, XO. Sorry, SH, CH, XO, Z. Okay. Children shouldn't play with the knives. Knives ends with FE, so we must cross them out and put VES. There are lots of butterflies. Like I said, Y and before the Y is L, so we must cross it out and put IES. Write the plural noun. Man. I said you must change just one vowel. Man to be men. Child, it will be children, that's right. Sheep. If I want to change sheep to plural, so what am I gonna do? Can I put S to sheep? No. I will put it like it is. Sheep, sheep. Tooth, I'm gonna write it teeth. You're gonna change U to be E. Foot, just one foot. Feet. The plural is feet. Fish, fish. Woman, women. Mouse, mice. Let's see. Man, men. Child, children. Sheep, sheep. Tooth, teeth. Foot, feet. Fish, fish. Woman, women. Mouse, mice. If you did it like that, so you are a super student. Thank you. Goodbye.